Welcome to today's short story designed for beginners. You will learn simple English through an engaging tale. Let's dive into the world of adventure and language together. Our story takes place in a small village where the sun shines brightly and birds sing cheerfully. In the heart of the village, there lies a lovely park filled with laughter, where children play and families gather to enjoy a beautiful day. Meet Anna, a curious girl with sparkling eyes and a love for exploration. Her best friend, Ben, is brave, with a big smile and an adventurous spirit. Together, they dream of discovering new things in their village and beyond, fueled by their imaginations. One sunny afternoon, Anna and Ben decide to explore the mysterious forest. At the edge of their village, eagerly they pack a bag with tasty sandwiches and refreshing water, excited about what they might find. Little do they know, a wonderful adventure awaits just beyond the trees. Anna and Ben learn the value of friendship and courage through their journey. Remember, learning English can be fun, just like an adventure. Keep exploring through stories, and your language skills will improve. Thanks for joining today.